Hi everyone, making a review here of the Deebot TO OMNI. This is a product from Ecovacs, and you can see here from the instructions, this is how you set it up. So if you guys like to pause the video and watching how to set it up when you first get it, you may do so. And all these instructions will be within the box. So let's go ahead and jump through it. I did the hard stuff already and took everything out. This is the box it comes with. And this is right there, Deebot Teal. And this is a very heavy product, by the way. This is about, I would say, 25-30 pounds. It's a very heavy product. But this is the vacuum where the mop goes into. Has a dirty water, as you can see right there, and then there's a fresh water which you fill up with hot water. And I'll show you here the vacuum. The vacuum here, these you have to get from the box, and then you have to just snap it in. So it's very easy to snap these two in here, and then these mop things you have to snap in there as well. And you have to click it. Once it's clicked, it'll stay in there. So when you do first purchase it though, the front cover you'll have to remove, and then you'll see right here, this is what it's below it. Let's put it back, and that's basically it. So I hope this is helpful in terms of setting up the vacuum itself.